Hello friends, this is Naran Singh, and in this video I am going to show how can we sort and hash map using value. So first of so I create this unsorted map, means there is some key and there is unsorted values. So first of all I will print this map before sorting, and will create one method to print it because I need to print multiple times map and unsorted map. So here I will create a method so in the for loop I create a entry from hash map, and the key will be string and the value will be integer, and this will be called entry from unsorted map dot entry set. So now we will loop around this and will print the key a entry dot get key, and here will be value, the value is entry dot get value. So in this way we'll print this as map. Now we'll do some sorting. After sorting we'll call one more method, sort as map, and this I will pass unsorted hash map, so it will also print this return hash map, or either I can map sorted map equal to and then we'll call print map method and will pass sorted map. Once again I need to create this type of map here. Okay, now compile RFP. So now the main logic we need to write here. So now as in the hash map there is entry, this is the entry, complete key value pair be called entry. So first of all we need to sort these entry, so based on the value. So for that what will I do, I will create a list and the entry type list I will create. I will list, I will call this as a list, and new, here I will create a linked list, and then I will unset then entry set. So now I have a one linked list with the all and these entries. So here the whatever insertion order we have, it will maintain insertion order. Now we need to write one constructor. So we can write constructor at the same place collection collections there is a class, then we call sort method. Here will pass list, and then the next parameter will be comparator. So comparator also will be entry type. So here I will paste this and will implement a method. Now here we can write logic to compare two object. So o1 dot get value means we can compare the TNT sort, means we are sorting entry based on the value. So dot compare to o2 dot get value. So this will compare this and will sort this linked list. Now we have sorted linked list. So we'll create a new map. So we can say like a okay, sorted map. Linked map. The value will be integer, and then we can call sorted map now we'll loop around this and we'll put each entry into linked as map. So it will like whatever we have this and linked list will have a linked hash map with the which will be contain insertion order. So for either we can use a for each loop, something like this, and now we'll put this dot put method will be and entry will get key, and here will use get value method, and will return this sorted map here. So this is how we can sort the map, and once we print this, we run this program, we'll get a sorted map. So if you see, this is the program as map before sorting. So 5, 50, 5, then all these we have. Now we'll print the sorted map. So here if you see, the value is 5, then 10, then 20, 50 and 80. So means this is the map which we have sorted based on the value. Thank you.